my dear students, welcome to this amazing platform of PW CLAT. Student, I am very much assured that you must be knowing that what I am going to talk in today's video. As today is 2nd October and today we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. So guys, let's jump on to our topic. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, Mahatma Gandhi plays a significant role in India's freedom movement. His birth anniversary on October 2nd is observed as Gandhi Jayanti every year. He is known as the father of nation as he played significant role in achieving India's independence. Under his guidance, several freedom movements were carried out that paved way for ending colonial rule. These movements focused upon fighting against colonial rule while following the principle of non-violence. Here are some of the major movements that played a prominent role in shaping India's independence. The first movement which we are going to talk about is Champaran movement, which happened in the year 1970. The Champaran agitation in Bihar was Mahatma Gandhi's first active involvement in Indian freedom movement. This movement was in response to the exploitation of the poor indigo farmer who were forced under an oppressive system of sharecropping. The farmers sought Gandhi's help through a local leader, Rajkumar Shukla, and through a planned non-violent protest, a demand of withholding payment of illegal taxes imposed by the British. Mahatma Gandhi managed to win concession from colonial ruler in 1918. As a result of the movement, the British government was forced to sign an agreement which granted control along with the compensation to farmers and also cancelled the hike in taxes. The second most prominent movement was Kheda movement, which happened in 1980. Kheda movement or Kheda Satyagraha was a non-tax campaign which was initiated by Mohanlal Pandey in 1917, who demanded the dismissal of taxes because of the poor harvest and crop failure in Kheda, Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi joined the movement in 1918. Soon after joining of Mahatma Gandhi, Vallabhbhai Patel and Indulal Yagnik also joined the Kheda movement. Finally, the demand of the movement were fulfilled by the British government. Another third most prominent movement is Caliphate movement 1920. After World War I, the Muslims were scared for their safety of their caliph and the religious leader. The Caliphate movement was then initiated by Ali brothers to protest against the injustice served in Turkey after the war. The movement was held in India under the guidance of Mahatma Gandhi after the Caliphate leader and Congress joined hands to fight together for Caliphate and Swaraj. The next fourth most prominent movement is the non-cooperation movement, which was launched in 1920. 1920 movement of non-cooperation was launched by Mahatma Gandhi following the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. With the cooperation of Congress, Mahatma Gandhi was able to convince the people. The idea of Swaraj, which Gandhi later defined, played one of the major role in this movement. People of India began to boycott British government goods and institutions like school, colleges and government office during the non-cooperation movement. Eventually, following the Chauri Chaura event in which 23 police officers died, Gandhi himself halted the campaign. Fifth movement, the civil disobedient movement, which was held in 1930. Mahatma Gandhi in 1930 addressed the nation through a newspaper called Young India and expressed to suspend movement if his 11 demands were accepted by the government. Here when I say government, I intend mentioning British government. However, the British government at that time was led by Lord Irwin and he did not respond to Gandhi on his demand. As a result, Mahatma Gandhi initiated a civil disobedience movement which is also known as Dandi March or Salt Satyagraha. During this movement, Gandhi along with his 78 other supporters on foot travelled from Sabarmati Ashram to Dandi to protest against the salt law. Prior to the movement, the government used to have control over the manufacturing of salt to be considered unlawful. Another prominent movement which involved Gandhiji was Quit India movement. In an effort to abolish British rule in India, Mahatma Gandhi initiated Quit India movement which is also known as Bharat Chhoro Andolan. Gandhi protested strongly against the British government and claimed that the Indians should be involved in a war which is in favor of democratic purpose while India itself is not a free country. This argument established and exposed the double standard of the British rule. So guys, these are the top movements, these are the top 6 movements which either involved Gandhiji or which was either initiated by Gandhiji. So I hope guys you must have find this video knowledgeable on your part. Thank you for seeing the video and guys, Jai Hind.